Hello everybody, welcome back to Planet X News. This is Scott from the Nibiru channel. I received a lot of emails and messages on our Facebook page earlier this afternoon pertaining to a situation in the country of Turkey, and this story was revolving around rocks falling out of the sky in the form of rain. We quickly looked into this story and we found out a few things. A few years ago, a small meteor did explode in the atmosphere, and small, tiny meteorites did rain down on a small portion of the country of Turkey. There was also a story that was circulating through Facebook and YouTube and on the internet showing a video of rocks raining down from the sky during an actual rainstorm. I had a lot of concerned viewers thinking that this was actually occurring as we speak. But then we quickly found out that this was kind of a mesh of stories that were put together, and this story was shared on our Facebook page. Now, I did find out through many, many centuries, this situation has occurred. Now, what I did find out, going back into history many, many years, back to the 15th, 16th, and 17th centuries, this was reported as rocks raining down from the sky. And naturally, back in those days, everyone thought that this was biblical in some sense of the word. Another situation happened in the 19th century, and it was literally raining rocks. Now, scientists believe that this is directly associated with a meteor blast in the upper atmosphere, therefore producing these very small meteorites. Now, taking into consideration with everything going on around the world, we considered, hey, what the hell? This may possibly be happening. There have been situations where debris has been picked up by tornadoes, and it has flung all kinds of objects through the air, including animals. But we quickly found that this story was reported on our Facebook page by one of the notorious trolls. So after reporting this story and posting it on our Facebook page, these notorious scumbag trolls thought that we would report this story as happening right now, therefore making it fake news. However, we are always one step ahead and much more intelligent than these fools are. So, anyhow, anywho, and anyways, we decided to show everyone this piece of video footage, and I think this dates back to either 2015 or 2016. And this shows some type of a rainstorm and a hailstorm. And at the particular time, ladies and gentlemen, I don't know if this was actually filmed in the country of Turkey, but it does look like there are rocks coming down out of the sky during this storm. There is no way to corroborate the story. There is no way to verify the story because it has made its way around the internet, Facebook, Twitter, and YouTube for a couple of years now. But taking into consideration that throughout history, as I've mentioned, back in the 15th, 16th, and 17th, and 19th century, this has been reported. Rocks and stones falling from the sky. Scientists have taken a look at this situation, and sometimes there is a scientific answer, and sometimes there is not. But I thought I would share the video with you. It is quite interesting. And I'm sure if you go onto YouTube and type in the search engine, raining rocks, you can see the unedited version and probably many, many other versions. If it ever were to rain rocks, I'm sure that we would hear about it and see it all over the news. And if it did happen, it would probably be directly associated with a meteor blast. And ladies and gentlemen, we ask that you please stay updated, stay informed, and stay tuned. It's also a very good idea to share our video information on Facebook and Twitter. This awakening must come now. If you are interested in food and water prepping supplies for any emergency, you can visit my affiliate, foodforliberty.com, and their link will be in the description box under the video. We also ask that you make sure that you are subscribed to Planet X News and the Nibiru channel for all of our current updates. And once again, ladies and gentlemen, thank you for watching. Hello, everybody. Welcome back to Planet X News. This is Scott from the Nibiru channel. I received a lot of emails and messages on our Facebook page earlier this afternoon pertaining to a situation in the country of Turkey, and this story was revolving around rocks falling out of the sky in the form of rain. We quickly looked into this story and we found out a few things.